up your crayons, it's time to start. We're creating magic, a cat with heart. With a circle here and a triangle there, we'll bring our kitty to life with flair. Draw two eyes, big and bright, a little nose and whiskers light. With tiny paws and a furry tail, our kitty's ready without fail. Meow, 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 draw your cat today. Colors bursting in every way. Imagination takes us far and wide. Our art is glowing with feline pride. Share your picture with a friend. This is where the joy won't end.